If you are fed by seeing data in the Excel and you want to create charts and you want to create dashboard and you have no any technical knowledge, you have no any dashboard knowledge, and you have no any coding knowledge, then in this video I am going to introduce you a very smart, a very no code tool that will help you to create very interactive and beautiful dashboards with only drag and drop system. You can create your own dashboards by just dragging the items and dropping on the screen. Your dashboard will be interactive. You can click on that and get the data and predictions from that data. So first of all, I must tell you about why these dashboards are important for any company and what is the scope of these dashboards. These are the parts of the data analysis because companies want to analyze their data and want to know what are the insights of their data, because they want to know what are the hidden patterns in the data and how they can improve their business, how can they make decisions on the basis of their data. When we see the data in the Excel form or in any other databases form, we are not able to make decisions on that data. And your role may be you can create interactive dashboards for your own company, for your own school, for your own organization, for your own retail store, for yourself. And you can also provide these services to the companies that mostly need the insights of their data and they don't have any time or they don't have knowledge to create dashboards. So here your job starts from creating the dashboards. How they can become easy? At the end of this video you will be able to create your very professional dashboard and you need not any kind of technical knowledge. But before going ahead, I want to tell you that what is the demand of these visualization. These visualization are demanded in every company because every company have a large amount of data. They collect data of their customers and they want to know that why our customers are churned, like why are they leaving from our organizations, or why are they leaving to buy items from their shop. So they want to know this thing, and also they want to know get the insights of patterns of the data. Like they want to know that when a person came into their shop and what is their pattern of buying. Like if they buy chips, then or they buy also cold drink or not. They even also want to know about what is the efficiency of their production, what is the efficiency of their suppliers, what is the efficiency of the delivery of their items, and lot of things that you have to get insights about, and you have to make decisions, and the company actually have to make decisions on the basis of their data. So if they see the data in the Excel form, data is in the raw form, and how can we make decision on that data, just raw data, and how can we get that what is the main purpose of this data, and how to analyze that data. It is not very easy. So by seeing the charts, as you have seen in the charts, like cricket match, that the performance of the players, and you can also see the charts in medical field. You can also see charts in every field of life. At the end of this video you will be able to create your own dashboards. These dashboards can be created a tool called the Looker. So you know that artificial intelligence has made things easy and make things no code type things, so we can create everything efficiently without having any burden on our mind. So let's start by getting our data. So here we are on our computer screen, and we have to open Google Sheet. You just have to go to the google.com and then put Google Sheet, and then hit the first link that you can see on the Google search. Then click on it. You will see the Google Sheet. On the Google Sheet you have to put some data. This is the raw data, and this is the practice data. I have just generated this data from the LLM, and so that we can do some practice on it. This is a superstore data I just created from Gemini, and then I have just imported data from the file that I have stored on my desktop, and then the data is here. First of all, we need to understand what is the data about that. This is a superstore data, and what kind of columns this data have. It has ID, order date, ship date, ship mode, customer ID, customer name, and so on. About this data you need to know about, because you cannot analyze the data without knowing it. Then we have to go to Looker Studio, and for this just click on the extensions and then go to the Looker Studio, and then create a report. And this is the dashboard that I have created on this data before, but we are going to create it again. So this is very interactive dashboard. Like if we click on any of the chart, it will make the change on all the charts and will display the data against that particular segment. So we are going to create it again, that I have already told you about how to get this Looker Studio. And when we click on the create, then it will automatically generate some charts. But before that we have to click on the create, so that it can these are only two of the suggestions that it gives us, that the first line should be the heading line, and the rest of the data should be like that. So when we click the Google, when we come on this particular dashboard, then it automatically identifies that what kind of dashboard should be created, and what type of charts are recommended. Like there are two charts, like one is the bar chart and the second one is the pie chart. This is interactive. I already told you about that. If we click on any segment, any part of the chart, it will automatically make change in the whole dashboard. That if we click on any bar, it will show only the data of that particular segment, that particular area of the research. Then we also have the tabs above this bar, so that we can make filters, and these are all automatically generated. But our need is to create data by create charts by our data and our needs. So for this we have to see that what kind of data we have, and at the right side we have the data that we have imported, and now we have to select the data from this, and these are all columns shown over here. We can pick any of the column and drag it to the canvas, drag into the sheet. It will automatically draw a chart. Like if we click on the date, and definitely we know about the date data is always used for showing the trends, so it will show a line chart, and we can also make change on this. But here it is automatically recommending that your data should show the trends. Like if we selected the profit, it is showing that what is our profit during the timeline, and against each time what was our profit, and what are our sales, what are our whatsoever. You can just create your charts by just drag and drop. Like we have dragged our date and then dropped here, and then we just have selected our categories, our profit, our sales on this chart. It automatically create the charts. And we can also change the type of the chart. We can also make change other things, like we can show the borders, we can show the headlines, we can show the title, we can lot of things can be changed. We can also you can see that there are chart types shown over here against each chart. When we select, we can change the chart type. Then we can show the scorecards, like cards you are absolutely well aware of this, that if we want to show the total profit and total sales and total categories, total records, we just have to collect the data from the sidebar and then drag over the sheet. And from the upfront, like from the properties window, we just have to select the chart type and it will automatically show that one. In another way, if we want to show the map, we just have to select the data and select the chart type to map. It will automatically show the map. Again, any type of chart, any type of analysis can be made without any knowledge, without any previous knowledge. You just have to understand what the data is and what type of chart you want to show, and what kind of insights you want to get from this type of data. There are a lot of categories given over here, and these all categories are given in the Tableau, in the Power BI, in the all of the modern BI softwares. So you just have to pick and have to draw and get analysis. That's it.